Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick what an SSK, which is also known as a slip slip knit stitch, looks like. And you can see that in this project here. It has knit 3, SSK, K1, and then K2 together. So I'm going to show this SSK to let you see how to do that. So you're just knitting along and you slip the first knot as though you're going to knit it, or this first stitch, and then you slip the second. So it's slip, slip, knit. So you slip 2 of them onto your right hand needle just like you were knitting those, and then you bring those back to your left hand needle, and then you don't even have to take your needle out of here. You can leave it in there just like that. Then take your working yarn and knit this through the back, and it gives you a decrease of 1 stitch because there's 2 stitches that go on to 1. And that's all there is to it. So let me show you one more time. Slip it just like I'm going to knit it, slip it just like I'm going to knit it, then move those 2 back onto my left hand needle, knit both of those through the back, and there we go. That is our slip slip knit. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.